So Marugame Castle was originally built in the year 1600 or in 1597 and finished in 1602. It was torn down 13 years after it was built, and then it was rebuilt in 1660 and has stood ever since. It has survived through feudal Japan, hence why it is considered one of Japan's 12 original castles. And I'm gonna go inside. You know, I had a hike planned for today, but seeing how high up this castle is, maybe this is the hike. This feels like a place I'm not allowed, but there wasn't any sign or anything. Oh wow. Yeah, we're allowed up here. I would consider this a good view, personally. Yeah. Pretty glad I came here. In case I didn't say before. Marugame Castle was built in in 1597 to 1602. After it was finished, 13 years later, it got destroyed and rebuilt in 1660. And I believe it has stood ever since, meaning it survived through feudal Japan when a lot of castles, most of them, were torn down. So unlike a lot of the big castles, this one's not a replica or a rebuild. This one has been here since the 1600s. You can see down there all those rocks. Recently, this side of the wall, part of it collapsed. So I'm guessing they're rebuilding it, and those are all of the stones that they recovered. Probably very likely that a lot of the stones were crumbled and can't be reused. That's a shame.